Hey, this is the new S-300 Carpet and Upholstery Extractor by Mytee. It's a compact-sized extractor with 55 psi that weighs only 12.7 kilograms. This little unit has caster wheels as well, with a big handle making the unit very maneuverable and portable. This little unit has both a 3.8 litre solution tank and a 3.8 litre waste tank, keeping it to its portable size. It is equipped with a single 2-stage vacuum motor with 85 inches of water lift, which is more than enough to extract liquids and help remove stains when carpet or upholstery cleaning. It is equipped with a 600-watt inline heater that can heat up water to a hot 98 degrees Celsius for that effective steam cleaning. All of this makes it quite a useful little unit, perfect for tight spaces where larger units may get in the way. It's easy to transport, carry, and move around, making it super convenient. It is particularly favored by car dealers when upholstery cleaning, but it can be effectively used for stain removal or general upholstery cleaning like couches and pillows. When you buy the S-300H, it comes with an 11cm wide 8400p air light upholstery tool, a 2-meter vacuum and solution hose combo, and the heat guard rack. To use, turn the pump on first. Directed at the tank, pull the trigger until you see a steady spray of water appear. After this is done, you can turn the heater on and wait a few minutes until the water is heated. Lastly, turn on the 2-stage vacuum and you're ready to go. Some highlights of using the unit is that the tank is open rather than being behind a hatch, making it easy to see how much is left when cleaning, and the air light upholstery tool gives you a visual feedback of what you're extracting. Agile equipment has got you covered with carpet and upholstery cleaning chemicals such as Solopak's Total Traffic, Acticem's Upholstery Plus Pre-Spray, or Sonitron's SK50 Carpet Pre-Spray or Browning Remover, with a large range of other chemicals to choose from. We also sell carpet cleaning equipment as well, such as carpet cleaners, rotary scrubbers, and tile cleaners, so come check us out. You can buy the Mytee S-300H Carpet and Upholstery Extractor on our website or in the store. If you have any questions, you can hit us up on our website's chat function, call 1300 092 647 or have a chat in the showroom. Thanks for watching.